Now third property, property 3 is property 3. Now for any two vectors A and B, vector A and vector B. Now what this shows property 3? If we are having vector A dot negative of vector B, this can be written as negative of vector A dot vector B. And second part is negative of vector A dot negative of vector B. This will become vector A dot vector B, positive. Now property 4, what this says, the scalar product is associative with respect to a scalar. The scalar product is associative with respect to a scalar. Now if M is a scalar, we can write it any real number. And vector A and vector B any two vectors, then what we can write it, M vector A dot vector B, this will be written as M vector A dot vector B. Now to further this, what we can write it, vector A dot M vector B. So these are property 3 and property 4.